You think you know your car, right? You get in every day, start it without thinking, and you're sure you figured out every button and switch. But the truth is, your car is hiding secret features you've never noticed. Features that can save you thousands of dollars, protect your health, and even prevent accidents. Most drivers don't use them, even though they're already built into their vehicles. Stick around until the end. I guarantee at least 3 of these secrets will surprise you. The air recirculation button. Most drivers ignore this little button with a car and a circular arrow, but it's one of the most useful features your car has. Normally, your ventilation pulls in outside air. That's fine in the countryside, but in traffic, you're breathing exhaust, dust, and pollution. Press recirculation, and the system stops pulling from outside. Instead, it cycles the cleaner, cooler air already inside. This improves air quality instantly, protects your lungs, and makes your AC more efficient. In summer, the cabin cools faster. In winter, the system doesn't work as hard, saving fuel and wear. Bonus, your cabin filter lasts longer. One button can save money, protect your health, and extend AC life. Stuck behind a smoky truck? Hit it. It's not decoration, it's a shield. Key fob tricks. Your key fob has more secrets than you think. First, almost every fob has a hidden mechanical key inside. If the battery dies, you can still unlock your car the old-fashioned way. But here's the fun part. If your car is parked far away, press the fob against your head and click. The water in your body amplifies the signal, almost doubling the range. It sounds crazy, but it really works. No more wandering around the parking lot pressing buttons like a maniac. Color-coded engine parts. Open your hood and take a look. Some parts are bright yellow, blue, or red, while others are plain black. That's not just design, it's a code. Bright colors mean safe for you to handle. These are things like washer fluid caps, coolant reservoirs, and oil dipsticks. The boring, dark-colored parts? Leave those to professionals. This color system saves you from costly mistakes. Without it, someone might pour washer fluid into brake lines or oil into the coolant tank. Both could destroy your car. With color coding, even beginners can safely maintain the basics. It also saves money. Some mechanics charge for topping off washer fluid or adding oil, tasks you can easily do yourself in minutes. Remember, yellow usually means oil. Blue is washer fluid or coolant. Red often marks transmission fluid. Learn these once, and you'll never waste money on fake maintenance again. The fuel cap holder. Next time you're at the pump, check your gas door. See that small hook or slot? It's designed to hold your fuel cap while you refuel. Most people let the cap dangle, or worse, place it on the roof. That can scratch your paint or let dirt enter your fuel system. Over time, dirt damages injectors and fuel pumps. Repairs that cost thousands. A simple hook prevents all of that. It's one of the cheapest maintenance hacks you'll ever find, and it's been hiding in plain sight. Emergency gear shift release. Picture this. You're in traffic, your car battery dies, and now your automatic shifter is locked in park. You can't push the car, you can't move, and traffic behind you is going wild. Here's the lifesaver, the emergency shift lock release. It's a small hidden button near the shifter, usually under a plastic cover. Pop it with your key, press down, and suddenly you can shift into neutral even without power. This allows you to safely roll the car out of danger. Most people don't even know this exists. They end up waiting hours for a tow truck when all they needed was a 2-second trick. Every car has this feature, but it's located in different spots. Some hide it beside the gear lever, others under the shift boot, or even inside a small keyhole. Spend 5 minutes today to find it in your car. It could save you time, money, and even prevent an accident. In the right moment, this tiny feature can turn you into a roadside hero. The snowflake warning. Ever notice a snowflake icon on your dashboard when it's cold? It's not just decoration. It's a warning that roads may be icy. Slippery conditions cause thousands of crashes every year, and this light is your early alert. Some newer cars even change the warning color as temperatures drop. Think of it as your car quietly saying, "Slow down, it's dangerous out there." Anti-glare rearview mirror. Night driving can be brutal when someone behind you leaves their high beams on. The glare hits your eyes, making it hard to see. But your mirror already has a fix. See that little tab underneath? Flip it, and the mirror tilts so the light bounces upward instead of into your eyes. You can still see behind you, but without the blinding glare. This simple trick has been around for decades, yet many drivers still don't know about it. For older drivers especially, headlight glare is one of the biggest reasons they avoid night driving. This tiny lever can change that, and modern cars go even further. Auto-dimming mirrors use sensors and electrochromic glass that darkens automatically when bright lights hit them. It's like having sunglasses that activate exactly when you need them, whether manual or automatic. This feature can turn stressful night driving into a smooth ride. Hidden storage compartments. Car manufacturers love hiding secret compartments. Some SUVs have storage bins under the floor. Some sedans hide spots in armrests, others tuck them under seats. These are perfect for valuables, travel gear, or just keeping things tidy. Some owners discover them years later, sometimes even with items left behind by the previous owner. It's It's like finding a little treasure chest in your car. Remote window control. Imagine it's 100 degrees outside and your car has been sitting in the sun for hours. You open the door and it feels like an oven. The steering wheel burns, the air is suffocating, and your kids in the back seat are crying from the heat. Here's the solution. Many cars let you roll the windows down remotely. Hold the unlock button on your key fob and the windows drop automatically. Some cars even let you do this with the key itself by turning it in the lock and holding it. This vents hot air before you step inside, dropping the temperature by dozens of degrees. It's not just about comfort, it's about safety. Cars can reach deadly heat levels in minutes. Being able to cool it down from a distance makes a huge difference, and yet most drivers have no idea their car can do this. Try it on your own car. You might be surprised. Your passengers will think you've upgraded to luxury features, when in reality, it was there all along. The conversation mirror. Parents will love this one. In many SUVs and minivans, there's a hidden convex mirror in the sunglasses holder. Flip it down, and you get a perfect view of the back seats. No more twisting around or guessing what your kids are up to. You can spot trouble instantly without taking your eyes off the road. It's also handy for keeping an eye on pets during trips. Such a small addition, but it makes driving with family much safer and less stressful. The fuel gauge arrow. Here's one of the simplest yet most overlooked features in cars. Look at your fuel gauge. Next to the gas pump icon, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is. It seems obvious once you know, but millions of drivers still don't notice it. Instead, they pull up to the wrong side of the pump, then awkwardly stretch the hose or do a U-turn. Embarrassing, right? This feature has existed since the 1990s. For over 30 years, car makers have been trying to help drivers avoid this mistake. And still, most people don't know. Once you learn it, though, you'll never forget. The next time you're driving a rental or a friend's car, you'll look like a pro by pulling up perfectly on the first try. Smart tire inflation alerts. In some cars, like certain Nissans, Jeep, or GMC models, filling your tires is easier than ever. Start inflating. And the lights flash to show the system is active. When the tire reaches perfect pressure, the car honks once. If you keep going and overinflate, it honks again and flashes the hazards. No gauge needed. No second guessing. This keeps your tires healthy, saves fuel, and extends tire life. It's like having a built-in tire technician. Remote engine start. Imagine starting your car from inside your house, office, or even a restaurant. On a freezing morning, your engine warms up and defrosts the windows before you even step outside. On a blazing summer afternoon, the AC cools the cabin before you get in. That's what remote start does. Here's the twist. Even if your key fob doesn't have a dedicated start button, your car might still support it. On many Toyotas, Mazdas, and Lexuses, pressing the lock button in a sequence starts the engine. On BMWs, it's often a quick triple click. Suddenly, your car roars to life like magic. This feature isn't just about comfort. Warming the engine in winter helps circulate oil properly, reducing wear on vital components. Cooling the car in summer protects the AC system from overstrain. And for parents, it keeps kids safe from extreme cabin temperatures. Remote start used to be a luxury upgrade, but now it's hidden in more cars than most people realize. Check your manual. Your car might already have it. Drowsiness detection systems. If your dashboard ever shows a little coffee cup icon, your car isn't asking for a Starbucks run. It's telling you you're getting tired. Modern systems track your blinking, head movements, or even your steering patterns. If the car thinks you're drowsy, it will beep or show a warning. Drowsy driving causes around 100,000 accidents every year. This system is like a co-pilot that notices your fatigue before it's too late. It's especially valuable on long road trips or late-night drives when tiredness sneaks up on you. Night vision systems. Yes, some cars literally have night vision. Using infrared and thermal cameras, they can spot animals, pedestrians, or objects long before headlights reveal them. Active systems project invisible infrared light and read reflections, letting you see up to 600 feet ahead. Passive systems detect heat signatures up to 1,000 feet away, even through fog or rain. This tech started in luxury cars like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, but aftermarket kits are becoming affordable. In the near future, night vision may become as common as backup cameras. Think about it. How many accidents happen at night because someone didn't see a deer crossing or a person in dark clothes? Night vision removes that danger. It turns total darkness into clear vision. Military technology now saving civilian lives. So there you have it. 15 hidden features your car may already have. Some protect your health, some save you money, and some could even save your life. The best part? You don't need to buy a new car to unlock them. They've been there all along, waiting for you to discover.